Barron. Hey, buddy. He is going to be I believe, a large miniature, small standard. He's going into our guardian program, and I believe he's already spoken for. Yes, he has a very nice curly fleece coat. Very pretty coloring. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Barron. Barron, let's see your eyes. Barron. Loves toys. Loves to play. Going on an adventure? Are you? You are. Where are you going? Where are you going? Pretty boy. Yes, you are. And that's Cameroon Barron.